Hello my friend, this is NAVIFORCE watch unboxing review time. Let's have a look at what I have bring you today. Okay, here it's a very handsome man's watch. Let's take it out and have more detail about it. Okay, then here we can find there is a manual book, and this is our guarantee card. We will always provide you 1 year guarantee. Okay, then it's our watch here. This is a gold colors combined the blue dial watch, and this is a business and casual design for men. First of all, we can see the data on the screen here, and then we can have a close look at the dial. The dial, we can see there are 3 testers combined. In the middle of the dial, there is a sunrise tester, and then in the upper and the lower part there is a wood pattern, and around the dial is the Paris stars pattern. Okay, this is a very simple design with only 3 hands. The hour hands, the hour hands, and this is the mini hands and the second hands. And there's only one small window for the date window in the 3 o'clock position, and at 12 o'clock position is our logo. And then it's only one crown in this sign, and this crown we can use it to adjust the time and set the date window. Also, we can see there are luminous coatings on the hands and the indices. I will turn off the light and show you the luminous. Yes, now the light is turned off, and you can see there is the luminous on the hands. Okay, let's turn on the light. Okay, welcome back. Also, I forget to show you something interesting. That is, this model we have a very interesting design with the bezel, and the bezel can counterclockwise rotate infinitely. It's very funny, and when you are feeling boring or feel stressed, you can make this bezel to rotate it on the wrist. And also we have the the numbers on the bezel. Also the bezels have 2 colors combined with the color contrast. It's very fashion and very nice. A beautiful watch. Okay, I will try it on my wrist. My wrist is 14 cm, and this is the watch on my wrist. Okay, I will show you the barcode about this. And also, when you receive the watch, we will always have a plastic to protect the band. The band is the stainless steel material, and also this there is a paper to protect the buckle here. There are 2 steps to open this buckle. First, open it and then press these 2 buttons. Then can open the buckle. When you receive, you can take away the paper here. And also there is a protection on the logo and the buckle here. Then there is very easy to wear the watch. Okay, actually this model we have 5 colors. I will show them all to you later. Hello my friend, welcome back. Just now I have shown you this gold color combine the blue dial one, and now I will introduce you the last 4 color. And this one, it is a rose gold color combines the silver for the steel band, and here the watch dial, it's black color, and the bezel, it's the black color combine the rose gold on the bezel. Also, it's very easy to rotate here. It can counter crosswise to rotate infinitely. It's very funny and interesting for your daily wear. And also this one, we can see here the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, the number is enlarged, and here the window on 3 o'clock is for the date. It's a very nice color for the watch band. I like this color the best. I would like to try this on my wrist. Wow, it's very nice. And this model, the diameter is not so large, so if some person, the women want to wear this kind of watch, it also fit for the women. I think so. It's very nice, isn't it? Okay, then it's this 3 blue color. This is the black color dial, and this is the blue dial, and this is the white color dial. They are the same. They are the same as the silver color band, and the bezel, it's the blue combine the red one, and this is the blue combine the black color. Let's have a close look at the camera. Okay, here all 5 color. Which is your favorite? You can find it in our store. Okay, this is all for today. Welcome to our store to buy your favorite color. If you want to see other model, just let me know. Okay, see you later. Bye.